Thank you so much for making it the mix this morning. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And now, as you know, Dwayne is always dissecting videos and he's always playing something interesting. Now, as you know, Mixup can done. And we never know the truth or the full side of each story. So we just have to listen and try to make, whatever sense from whatever side we get the story from. But go ahead and catch the video because here we have Gracie and it's coming from her mouth what she has to say. Dwayne is sitting in and he's asking also that the audience just listen and make their own conclusion. Just like I always say, make your own conclusion to the video. Say what you have to say. Leave your comments. Like, share, subscribe to the channel as always. And have a super wonderful Women's Day. Love you all.
Gracie lick up shots. Gracie, hey, a dynamite. Gracie fling out some dynamites. Lord Jesus Christ, Lord God, Lord. Why? Me a ball for the people, them. I'm spread out my coat. I'm spread out my big lip, them. Grace to come up. She said Grace to come up. Grace to come right out. What about she come right out? And now I'm wondering, Lord God, oh Lord. No, I'm kind of afraid for you too. I'm kind of afraid for you too. I'm kind of afraid for you no cause Lord God, they're gonna say, I have a trending job of the year. I don't know so them love mix me. Them love mix me already though. They love mix me. Yeah. When it's not me say it, and the people must say it, them say, look at that boy. Look at that boy page, we hear it. Darling, I'm only the messenger, alright? I'm only what the messenger. Yes, I'm what the messenger. Don't come for me if you no send for. No come for me if me no send for. Oh no. After you hear this, no come for me. Cause not me say it, darling. I the she lady say it, darling. I should talk up the things, darlings. She got done in it, darlings. Yes, she did. Mr. She give to the Mr. People, she give to them, she give to them, Mr. She give to them. She also wears like Jezebels. And Lord, hey, the part of Mr. Lord God, I want to say, I want the man call and chuck me, Mr. Jesus Christ. Me get afraid. But then I'm not afraid of nobody. As lead up as me is, I'm not afraid of a soul, darling. So yes, I'm dashing it out, darlings, yes. Oh, and I put on my jacket for you guys. Oh, and I put on a nice shirt, and I put on nice blue shorts, and yeah, I put on nice blue socks and black slippers. Cause I'm in my home. I have to wear slippers in my house. I can't walk barefoot in my house. I don't like when my foot touch the ground, so I have to put on either slippers or socks, and I put on the two of them. Cause if I have my slippers, I just can walk on the ground and cock up my two of them, so like a chicken door. People share the video. Listen, that I got spicy. Listen, only the best for my audience. Only the best out there. Sometimes we have to settle. Sometimes we have to settle for some PR, right? Sometimes we have to settle for some PR. However, me not tell a lie. That one yeah, it take the cake. That one yeah, take the cake. And the week just start. Lord God. Hey, people, I'm telling you guys, no joke. Next Sunday start tomorrow, so we can start a whole new week and start over brand new. Cause I don't think anyone's gonna beat that one. She got down in her head. This is all the she lady's words.
I come with Bible. Happening for somebody messy, man. Anytime they do that wickedness and they can't sleep at night, so you see them come out early with a man with Bible. Demon not them. At all, there is no Christian for truth.
You don't let to start.
They use Bible to cover up them sin and the wickedness and the corruption. And then demonic self. Oh,
some of
can
them.
do.
I feel
I
so.
never
Some of them.
award Anna. But you award this woman that will be a worker than Anna. Anna, princess, you have to kiss the ring. You don't kiss the ring, princess. That's
Outer
how I
ring.
choke you and go on. You
A
have to
99 ring, no.
just be
Let's
honest,
talk.
princess. This is
99
our ring
ring.
you have to kiss.
This will start. This will
Anna,
go
couldn't get it.
Why?
Anna did rebellious like myself. And take no talk like myself. And anybody step to Anna, she go step back to them like myself. So Hannah couldn't get it. Hannah rebellious. Hannah now go to kiss no heart and kiss no forget it. Hannah now kiss and suck up not to forget nothing. Like myself, she have your rat trap. And she had big cup and she had this up. And she can step to her, she step back to you. She stay now, want to go call until I go fear. She buy sometimes you go fear, she not come back fear. And everybody she understand. Eh? God, I couldn't tell me. I'm not want to watch Anna thief. Everybody fire thief. All of them fire thief. Majority of them fire thief. God, that's the one now that one I biggest thief. But true shall defend the one they know. It's okay. Everything cover up. You know, cover up a backside. Me I come talk with it. Me I come black about it.
It start now. Start now.
Just because she defend that woman over there, so it's okay if you do everything and everything. No, go ahead.
99.
Hold on for your fake. You want to support from them on a demon. Fake.
She just started. It's so good night.
It's not okay. And it's not fine. You're not going to shut up Gracie. When I say you're not shut me up and you can't shut me up. I ain't telling people talk against them, not attack them people, attack them no weak. Me I go build wall eat more. Me I go build wall eat more. You hear me say? And if me never come fire, me I go use my money and pay bloggers to post what me say. If I even pay for your post, where's the vice have to be out here? Remember me telling you that. If I even pay for your post,
people in the comment.
I got my say.
Remember, you guys can speak your minds and do so freely without hindrance, right? We're not black people, but yes, sir. All right. Go back tonight, Gracie. Go back tonight.
Why you say, Shirley? All of them are thief. Big thief, local thief, a thief and thief. Shirley. All of them are thief. All of them are general. Me a question all them loyalty I know.
I said start. I said I got spicy now. Yeah. Lord.
Me a question all of them with their loyalty I know. All them a come on their life and say, woman inform me. Me a question them loyalty about what they say. When they come out and they say them a defend charity, them a defend this, and them a defend that, me a question it now. If me never question it at that time, me a question it now. All the other people come out and say things about them, and me that's all lie and I defend it, me a question it now.
Shut up about the word all
Me
night.
Gracie a question it. Then I big up yourself, you see what go on.
Run
Run about! Up and about this morning.
She
Who
got
say?
out. She get out. She get
Up and about this morning. We're blogging this morning. Up and about. Yeah, we. Sammy. If I may call out your name, you say, probably busy at work, my love. So my name bother you.
Oh, Lord.
I don't see one medals yet. I don't want time. Medals no matter come here. I don't care about the problem. I want talk medals. I don't want a distraction. So medals go and go sleep. If you don't work, go and work.
Oh, no distraction. Make she talk. Make she talk, here. Make she talk.
Me saw me I say. We were supposed to still turn in our bed, you know. So, you vacation and I want to come back like last night. I don't want to turn one to the bus last night, yeah, man. The story and a half that me don't want to get tonight, you know. I don't want to know that me away from bus to come back over. Not New York. Back to Florida. When me did this. No reach back to New York yet, my love. I don't want to know what happened. How now last.